Mourners gathered in the Pakistani village of Swabi on April 14th for the funeral of a university student who was murdered after being accused of blasphemy. 23-year-old Машъал Хон was beaten to death a day earlier by a mob at Abdul Wali Khan University in the city of Murdan. The brutal attack came after the journalism student was accused of sharing blasphemous content on social media. Video footage of the lynching showed the student on the ground surrounded by a group of men beating him with wooden planks. Khan's father said his son had criticized Pakistan's political system but had never committed blasphemy.
The پیغمبر اسلام صلی الله علیه و آله وسلم ریفرنس به ورکو دغه خلکو د ګورنمنت راټون چیلنج کړی دی انو په کار دار چې حکومت چې کوم دنو د خپل تاسو وکي نو چې خپل تاسو کوي نو زما به پکې وکي.
Dozens of people attended Khan's burial ceremony. Police said at least 10 suspects have been arrested in connection with the attack. On Twitter, opposition politician Imran Khan condemned the students' lynching and called for firm action against the attackers, saying the law of the jungle can't prevail. Blasphemy is a criminal offense in Pakistan and can carry the death penalty. The Center for Research and Security Studies has reported at least 65 people have been murdered over blasphemy allegations in Pakistan since 1990.